Let me say that right now I'm so excited creating this video right now because this is my very first video on YouTube, and you know what that means. I'm very sure that the very first time you did something that you have always planned to do, you're just so excited all over the moon. That's the kind of feeling I'm having right now because I've actually had the mind of starting a YouTube channel, but I don't know where to start from. I've been procrastinating it. I've made researches, how to start a YouTube channel, how to even create a YouTube account. So I made researches on how to create a YouTube account, how to do this, how to do that, how to monetize on YouTube, how to grow a YouTube channel, and all of that. But even after all this knowledge, there was no way to start. I didn't just want to start. I was just procrastinating it and all of that. But why not take action if the decision I'm currently going to make is definitely going to help me in coming years? So I decided today to create my very first YouTube video. So I think I deserve an applause for that. Yeah, I deserve an applause for that, for actually leaving my comfort zone and creating my very first YouTube video. So I deserve another applause for that. So there are several reasons why I decided to create my very first YouTube video, why I decided to start content creation on YouTube. I've actually been creating videos on other platforms like Facebook and TikTok, IG, but why not actually start on YouTube if I can actually do that? So there are several reasons why I decided to do this, and I want to be sharing it with you in this video. Why I think these are my goals though. These are my goals I have on YouTube. I think everybody has goal why they decide to start something, and these are my goals, so I'm just sharing part of my secret with you. So number one is to actually share my knowledge. I feel that I'm unique. I have my own personality. There are some knowledge I have that some persons don't have. Okay, I'm not trying to compare though, but I feel that I'm unique and I'm different, and there are some things I know that I need to share to the world, that I need to speak out, I need to talk, I need to share this value to other persons, right? So why not actually start YouTube content creation? Because this is apparently one of the channels that people come in to search on, to look out for information apart from Google. You get? So basically for me, whenever I want to learn something new, I want to make research on anything, the first platform I actually go to is YouTube. So I believe other persons do the same thing. So I can actually be sharing my knowledge here. So this is one of the most important reasons why I decided to start my YouTube content creation, which is a fair reason, right? So another reason why I decided to start my YouTube content creation is actually to influence for brands. Yeah, I love influencing for brands. I love promoting businesses. Even on my WhatsApp community, I love promoting businesses and all. So YouTube is another way I can promote businesses by the time I grow my community to a larger extent. And another reason why I decided to start my YouTube content creation is actually to grow a community of like mind. Yeah, I believe that by the time I grow this community, people who have similar goals like myself, after all, somebody who should be watching this video should be somebody who has a goal, or somebody who can actually watch this video to this extent is somebody who has planned, goal, vision for his life or her life. So by the time I grow this channel to a specific level, I'm growing the channel in a way that it will be a community of like-minded individuals, people who really want to develop themselves in one area or the other. So another reason why I actually decided to start YouTube content creation, by the time I grow my community to a particular extent, I can actually sell an offer. It cannot be doing something and not be making money from it, right? So I can actually sell an offer, maybe any product. I love business. If you know me very well, if probably this is not your first time of knowing me, maybe you've probably been following me from other platforms, you know that I love business. Yeah, I love business. So by the time I grow my channel to a particular extent, these are my goals though. I said it before, these are my goals, and sharing it with you, there's nothing bad sharing some of my goals with you, right? So by the time I grow my channel to a particular extent, I can actually sell an offer or create an offer and sell it in this platform and also make money from it. And my last reason for starting YouTube content creation, this particular reason, I actually heard it from somewhere. So I'm not going to mention where I heard it, but I heard it from somewhere. Probably you must have heard it too, but you did not pay attention to it, and I want to share it with you. So another reason why I decided to start my YouTube content creation is actually to monetize this channel. So I know that you don't like money, right? Yeah. When you hear this, it's like, you shouldn't be talking about money. No, I love money, right? So in this channel, by the time I monetize it, I should be making money from it. So I'm welcoming myself to YouTube right now. I'm welcoming myself to YouTube, and I'm ready for the big opportunities that YouTube has for me, right? So let's keep going, let's keep doing what we're doing, and stay tuned to this channel. Subscribe to this channel if probably you are seeing this video anytime. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and by the time I keep sharing more videos, you'll be the first person to see my videos. And again, do not forget that I love you and I'm ready to share value with you. Remember that everything we share here is value regarding content creation and video editing. So stay tuned to this channel. If you've not read the description on my channel, you can do well to read that so that you can get more insight on what this channel is all about. And remember, this channel is more of love. We share love and we give value. I love you.